Hi, I'm Bridget.
And I'm Josh.
Studying our health science degrees here at Flinders offers a wide variety of future job prospects,
including nutrition, occupational therapy, physiotherapy, disability studies, and exercise science. I've chosen to specialise in nutrition.
And I'm studying exercise science. Follow us to find out more about our chosen degrees.
So we're here now at the Sprout Cooking School with Jess, who's going to tell us a little bit about what we do here.
Hi, my name's Jess and I'm an accredited practicing dietitian working here at Sprout. I studied my Masters of Nutrition Dietetics at Flinders University, and it's so great being here now because I get to see all of the Flinders University students come through and really use their knowledge base to enhance their practical skills. Here at Sprout we believe in fresh local produce and we love teaching others about it.
Yeah, I know my time here at the Sprout Cooking School certainly helped enhance the extracurricular activities that are available on campus, including an urban farm enterprise that's just about to kick off.
Here we are in the gym. As part of our studies in exercise science, we learn how to tailor an exercise program to different people. This includes strength and conditioning, aerobic training, and nutrition. We have lots of opportunities for placement and practice-based learning supported by great teaching staff. When I complete my degree, I hope to work with elite sporting teams, but I could also work in aged care, hospital, or disability services.